Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Good morning, everyone. So today, one of my friends asked me a question which relates to logarithms, and hopefully, because this question is really interesting because it involves a method which not a lot of people know about it, but hopefully, by this video, you can know how to use this method very well. Okay. So let's begin by making sure the base of the logarithms are similar. So we know that this is log base x3, and this will be log base 3 cube root of x. So the problem is they can't be combined whatsoever because of their difference for their log bases. So there's a way you can change your base of the log. You can become it as well based on the laws of logarithms. We have log, let's say log base AB is equal to log CB over log CA. C is the log base that we wanted. Okay, and then I rather draw the line here just so that I can separate for the numerator and the denominator. So right now, I want to change my base to base 3 because that is much more simpler if I want to change it to base x. So how do I do this? By log 3 divided by log 3x. Okay, let me bring this somewhere else because it interrupts me, sorry. Where is it? This should be A, C, L. Okay, so another thing about this equation is that this cube root, I could change it to become x to the power of 1 over 3. So just by replacing it, you'll get this form, and then is equal to 10 over 3. Now, before we do the method that I told you, we should simplify the equation first. So we know that if the base of the log and the base is similar, you will get log base AA is equal to 1. Okay, anything that has similar base and the logarithm's base is equal to 1. So 3 times 1 should be 3 divided by log base 3x, and we can bring the index to front, so it becomes plus 1 over 3 base log 3 base log base 3 x is equal to 10 over 3. So the method that I'll be showing to you should be let method. So it should be let log base 3x is equal to, I'm going to do p. So by substituting log base 3x with p, we could get 3 over p plus 1, p over 3 is equal to 10 over 3. Now, for this part, we could simplify because every term has fractions, but it's better off to eliminate those fractions. So how do we do it? So we have p and 3 as denominators. So we should multiply both sides with 3p. And when we expand the brackets, we could get 9 plus p squared plus 10p, oh sorry, not plus, it should be minus 10p. Oh, right. So right now, the highest power of this expression is power of 2, which means that this should be a quadratic equation, and we have to make sure that it will be in the general form, which is ax squared plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So right now, by arranging to based on its general form, it should be p squared plus 10p plus 9 is equal to 0. Now the next step should be factorizing the quadratic formula. So by using a calculator, any kind of method, the long method or even a short method, as long as you can factorize it and have the same number, it should be fine. So I should get p plus 1 and p plus 9. If I'm not mistaken, this both should be p plus 1, p plus 9. Maybe I got it correctly though. I'm so sorry. 1, 10, 9. 1, 10, 9. That should be it. Let me check again for 3p, 10p, p squared. I hope nothing is wrong so far. Yes, I found it. I found my... Yo. Why do I... Okay, so p squared, sorry. By taking away 10p, both sides should be negative 10p plus 9. And this should be the right one. As well as where is my mistake? I am so sorry. So it should be 1, negative 10, 9, and we should get p minus 9 and p minus 1. Now we know our both p values, which is p9 and p1. Now we could just substitute to get log base 3x is equal to 9 and log base 3x is equal to 1. Remember, we substitute the p values into our original equation just led. Now remember, how do we eliminate the logarithm? We could just use this law where log base ab is equal to something x, and then to eliminate log, we should bring a to the right hand side to become a power, and it should be b is equal to a to the power of x. So same goes to this, we'll get x is equal to 3 to the power of 9 and x is equal to 3 to the power of 1. So both of these are the right answer. So hopefully that you understand this, and inshallah this video will be a very good use to you. So good luck, and assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.